Church bell 176. What is the answer to my question? A true story, serial number 1. The videos will be continued. This incident, which took place between 1971 and 1980, is most surprising stories. I am just going to talk about the events that come up when I was working in a big office. What I am going to tell you story that every viewers would listen to and understand that these events have been yet in my heart like an emerald nail. There were close friends of mine in that office. Now I am proud to say their names. Their names were Velayudham, Sivasankaran and Jafar Ali. All three had close friends with me since the days I joined in that office. Their activities were very different. Velayudham was the superintendent of my section. Others often we meet together and make decision even though they were in different sections. There would be no defect in our work. In those days, many would come to our place for their help. We could solve their problems very easily. Mostly, many people could meet their needs in person. The problems of the visitors might be related to different offices or different department or just their own personal problem in their family or in their native places. There were hundreds of staffs in our office. I know very well at least 10 of needy people who wanted to meet Mr. Velayudham every day. Definitely those who meet him would not return without solving their problems. He was a very good person, taking much steps to solving any of the problems of the people in an easiest method, as he had much influence in all department staff. Sometimes the other two brothers get together and make a good decision to solve their problem. Many would come hungry or come and stand in front of him for their needs. Many might have needed money to pay at the hospital patient or to enroll their children in school or find no way to celebrate their functions or marriage. But all come and stand in front of Mr. Velayudham, and from his affectionate, lovable hands, they would get their problems solved. No one would be sent away without a gain. Although his work would be disturbed or disrupted by the needy crowd, he would diligently to request the support of other staff not to make any delay of the assigned work of him. If Superintendent Velayudham thought he should go out to search of others to solve the problem in order to help the people or for their sufferings and heavy burden, he would ask my support to take care of his work to be fulfilled without any delay. I would do all the work for him in his side without making any delay or pending. I would make sure that he should not get any bad name. At the three social workers would sometimes ask for their help, I would take in charge of their work and would finish successfully within the time limit. What is the answer to my question? You will follow very different story, very intelligent story too. You just follow the next serials continuously.